Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving over Flat Bridge and we're going to talk about the upgrading of bridges in Jamaica and an incident that recently happened at Flat Bridge. Now look at these trucks as they cross over Flat Bridge. It is time for this bridge to be replaced, demolished if necessary, and a new bridge put up. Although because it's a heritage site, it's the oldest bridge in Jamaica, they could probably build a bridge beside it. Now, recently, a truck carrying a trailer, 40-foot container, was going across the bridge and did not navigate the bridge properly because it was so narrow, and the container ended up going over into the rear cobra. A truck just like this, well, carrying a container just like this, and the container fell into the river, the Rio Cobra River, and the rest of the truck was pulled off. Half the truck was on the bridge, half was off, and Flat Bridge was blocked. No, this route takes you from Kingston to the north coast, from Spanish Town to places like Linstead, Bogwalk, Ocho Rios. So it's a very busy corridor for the transport of goods. And of course, you can't forget the bad drivers, like that taxi that just went by on the opposite side of the road. When you have those kind of bad driving and a bridge this narrow, it also adds to problems. So a lot of trucks, trailers use this bridge, just like the one we're looking at now. They use this bridge and it's way too narrow. This bridge was built hundreds of years ago, 16th century, from before cars were even invented, much less trucks. And I must say the bridge is still standing to this day and it still operates. But Jamaica has outgrown this bridge now because of the amount of traffic that uses it and the size of the containers, and it needs to be replaced. Yes, it's a historic site, but if necessary, demolish it and put up a new bridge. So the government is going to be fixing 47 bridges across Jamaica. But Flat Bridge is not one of the 47. I don't know if any of the bridges, the 47, are as used as Flat Bridge. I don't know if it's because Flat Bridge is a historic site, they can't do anything with it. But there is a lot of space, as we said before, to build a new bridge. So we're going to tell you about the Accelerated Bridge Program, give you an update. The government of Jamaica has introduced the Accelerated Bridge Program, an important initiative aimed at repairing and rehabilitating 47 bridges across the island. This program comes at a critical time as many bridges have either deteriorated due to age or were damaged during the passage of Hurricane Melissa. By prioritizing infrastructure development, the government seeks to improve road safety, enhance transportation, and build resilience against future natural disasters. The program is supported from funding from the 26 to 27 national budget and is expected to cost several billions of Jamaican dollars, given the scale of repairs and upgrades required. In addition to bridge rehabilitation, the government has also identified 11 major roads for rebuilding, further strengthening the country's transport network. These efforts will improve connectivity between communities, reduce travel time, and support economic activities such as trade and agriculture. However, while the program is comprehensive, one notable structure not currently included is the flat bridge in St. Catherine. Despite its exclusion, there is a strong argument that Flat Bridge should be prioritized for replacement. This historic but narrow bridge lacks modern safety features such as guardrails and is highly vulnerable to flooding, making it dangerous for motorists, especially during heavy rainfall. Over the years, it has been the site of numerous accidents and traffic disruptions. including Flatbridge in the accelerated bill, including Flatbridge in the accelerated bridge program would significantly enhance public safety and improve traffic flow in the area. As a key crossing over the Rio Cobra, it serves as an important link for commuters and businesses. Replacing it with a modern, wider, and more resilient structure would align with the government's broader goal of building infrastructure that can withstand extreme weather conditions and support national development. In conclusion, the Accelerated Bridge Program represents to a step forward in improving Jamaica's infrastructure, with billions of dollars being invested to repair 47 bridges and rebuild critical roads. While the initiative is commendable, expanding it to include Flatbridge would further strengthen its impact. Addressing this long-standing safety concern would not only protect lives but also contribute to a more efficient and reliable transportation system for the country. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.